It's going to be for those students as well as adults who may be working a dead-end job or who maybe just want to get some more skills going on. It's going to be for them as well. And we also included middle school students. So if you have a student who's thinking they don't want to do college, then this will be the place for them to be. So
this is a really good idea.
Yeah, so what we're doing is we have vendors that we have invited, union halls. We're showcasing different apprenticeship programs, different training. We're doing all of that just for those people to come out. And we've added on a special bonus where if those people come out and they find a program that they're interested in, they will be able to register for that program on the spot.
Really?
So in partnership with St. Louis Community College and Hazelwood School District, we're trying to make things happen for our youth as well as our underrepresented.
So put this into perspective for our people at home. Who would this be perfect for? If I'm coming here, what will I leave out with?
Okay. I think it's perfect for anyone who's just trying to figure it out. What does that life after high school look for me? I do not want to do more schooling, more college, more classes. That's not for me. And that's okay. But we all need a plan.
Yeah.
So I think for those students,
that's the gym.
This is a perfect place for them to be.
Well, how can people help out?
Well, several ways. One, we have vendors.
Yes.
And we are still taking vendors. So if you have a last-minute vendor that wants to come out and showcase either their training program or their construction program that they have, this will be the place for it to be. They can just use the QR code and QR us, and then we'll get the information.
Yeah.
The other thing we need is volunteers.
Yeah. Can never have
We need people to come out to move around those people and make sure that everybody get what they need before they leave. We do not want this to be a thing where you come out, you get a bag, and we turn in a bunch of flyers. No.
Yeah.
This is for people who want to come out and change their life and do something that day.
Well, Minji, I'm going to come over to you. What do you think we need to be prepared? When we go to this event, how can I set myself apart?
Well, it will be nice if you research about the vendor that we already have and see if you're interested in any of them. Also, if you can bring your resume, that will be a perfect, so you can apply at the spot. If you have a business card, you can bring those business cards as well. And go ahead and follow us on social media at Future in Action so you can get some more resources and information about it.
Thank you so much. Again, you guys, this is happening May 14th. It's on a Thursday. So make sure you scan the QR code that was on your screen for more information, or that website that you see right there. Head there, look up all the vendors that they have. Minji gave some really great insight so that you could be prepared. Thank you so much for coming on the show today.
Oh, and thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.